access to trusted virtual room. Over the 100 from the cyber companies have started document security. Focus on business, not software. Simple setup the virtual data room in top-notch security. Multiple certification is a document that employs physical validation and permanent security. Engage vending the data room security customer with the company logo and colors and create familiar collaboration of automation notification. In your house, experts are always ready to help with all plans include we have future design and exclusively organize document sharing and share confidentially and share comment with personal workflow bulk import granular report to the build in Q&A. I down document user activity you can pretty much